Digital technology is blurring the lines between the real and the virtual world. With the Kinetech Digital Factory, it's never been easier to optimize your manufacturing facility from top to bottom. From personnel to projects, planning to reporting, the Kinetech Digital Factory has you covered. Let's take a closer look. Since the Digital Factory application is cloud-based, you can log in securely from any mobile device or computer. Once you get logged in, the first screen you're going to see is the production schedule window. The color-coded bars on the right represent the schedule, and on the left-hand side you'll see a prioritized list of current orders. Let's say we just got a new rush order. Let's take a look at how to enter that into the system. The first thing you'll do is enter the order date, and then select a new customer. When I type in the first 3 characters, it immediately gives me a subset list. This is to ensure that I don't enter duplicate data. Let's enter a job number, and then select the style of permatank. Once I've selected the style of permatank from the drop-down list, the schedule will automatically update. You can see a list of activities below, and when I click this button, I can select the ship date. This is the date that we want the product to ship by. Finally, I can add some notes about the tank. I can add gallons, select the size, number of compartments, and when I finish selecting the number of compartments, my estimated time will automatically recalculate. Now I'm ready to save and reprioritize my schedule. Since this is a rush order, I'm going to move it from the bottom to the top. I just click and drag it. Now, I'm ready to update my schedule. A status bar will appear to let you know that the system is updating. It'll take a few seconds. Everything is happening in real time, and if you have staff in other facilities that you've given access to, they'll be able to see your updates in a matter of minutes. Great, now my schedule is updated. If I want a user to receive reporting and analytics, it's easy. I can configure that in the settings. The Kinetech Digital Factory application not only works on any computer, but it also works on any mobile device. Let's take a look. From the mobile app, I'm going to log in as a user named Tim. I have a few different activities I could do, like start tasks, build parts, enter data, or manage my account. Let's go ahead and start a task. Let's say I try to access a project that I don't have the permission or security clearance to access. Let's see what happens. A notification pops up letting me know that I don't have the correct skill set to work on this project. Therefore, I can't work on it. Luckily, I have plenty of other things to do. So let's move to a project that my skill set is more appropriate for. Here's an activity I can do. I'm an expert at cutting sheets. I'm going to go ahead and start my task. Now I'm on the clock. If I need to take a break, I can click the little timer icon and pause the time. Or, once I'm done, I can click the checkmark box when my task is complete. These are just a few examples of what can be done with the Kinetech Digital Factory application. To see a full list of features or schedule a free consultation to learn how the Kinetech Digital Factory application can be completely customized to meet your specific business needs and workflows, visit www.kinetechcloud.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working together to make sure that the world's finest workforce has the tools that it needs to succeed. Let's keep American manufacturing alive and well in the 21st century.